Hey my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we're going to be making a vegan dish, but nevertheless, whether you're vegan or not, this dish is very delicious. And yeah, a while back a young lady asked me to make another Jamaican based vegan dish, so finally here is the video. So if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare my cabbage. I'm going to shred my cabbage, and I'm also going to cut up some bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, and some scallions. So now we're going to prepare our filling. I am going to saute my peppers and scallion, and then I am going to add my cabbage. So you're going to cook your cabbage however you please. I like mine soft. Some people like theirs crunchy. It's up to you. I'm just going to add my cabbage, and I'm going to add some seasoning. Whatever seasoning you normally use, just go ahead and add that. And I am going to cover this so that the cabbage can shrink a little. Then I am going to add my ackee. So now that my cabbage is almost done, I'm going to add my ackee. And I have some pre-cooked ackee that came straight out of jam dung, yes, straight from Jamaica. So I am going to saute that just a little bit in my cabbage as well. And I'm going to add a little spinach, but the spinach, it's easy to cook, so I just add it right at the end, cover the pot for a minute, and then I turn it off. So I'm hoping that Swellon is watching, the young lady that requested another Caribbean vegan dish. I hope she's still subscribed to my channel, because I know she's going to enjoy this dish. And if you're still here with me and you're watching, make sure to come back and leave a comment in the comment section. And whenever you want to go on a meat cleanse, guys, this is it. So I'm just going to prepare my plantains, and I'm using my turned plantains. I am going to fry them. So if you are watching and you're not Jamaican, when I say turn plantain, it means that the plantain is not green and it's not ripe fully. It's just in between. Alright, so we're going to fry them until they're golden brown. And while they're still hot, I'm going to put them in my lemon squeezer and get that cup shape. So keep on watching, guys. So now, as soon as my oil is hot, I am just gonna add each piece of my plantain and fry them on each side until they're golden brown. So Yeah, you just want to make sure you watch your stove. Don't move an inch, because if you move an inch, your plantain are going to burn. So now that my plantains are fried, I'm just going to remove them, and I'm going to try and press them as fast as I can before they cool down, because when they are hot, it's easier for you to put them in the lemon squeezer and get the shape that you want while they're still hot. So don't worry about the plantains that are coming out at the sides. Those are going to fall on the plate, and I'm going to dump them and press them and make another cup. So as soon as I finish pressing all of my plantains, I'm just going to use the scissors to trim them up so that they can look nice and neat, and then we're going to add our filling. So guys, next time when your vegan friends are coming over and you want to prepare something for them and you want to look all fancy, you can make this dish and surprise them. Yeah, instead of just adding your plantains at the side, just put them in your lemon squeezer and shape them into a little cup, and add some filling, whatever filling you want to add. You don't have to do this exact filling that I'm doing. Just add whatever filling you want to add in them, and just enjoy your plantain cups. So now that I'm finished pressing the plantains, I'm just gonna use my kitchen shear and just trim them up, and then I am gonna proceed to add my filling. So there you have it guys, our delicious Caribbean vegan dish only at Howwerowe Cooks. Alright, tell your vegan friends to come over and enjoy this recipe. Try it out whether you're vegan or not, and come back and leave a comment in the comment section, because trust me, this ackee and cabbage did turn up. Trust me, it's very delicious. So go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you wish, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.